Hello, I'm Pistol Bruff, and today I'm pistol whipping Mr. Russell Crowe, the king of happy slapping himself. So, Russell, how's it going?
What's it got to do with you?
The fact that I'm interviewing you is there some issue here or something?
My issue. Ignored by neighbours. Reject of home and away. And I shall have my vengeance. In this life and the next.
Gladiator. Come on, you're not still on that, are you?
I'm not still on anything, but you've been a busy little bee.
Oh my god. That wasn't even your line. And what's with the phone?
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
No. Not at all. Not in the slightest. No, not a sausage.
I don't have to listen to this. I was Robin Hood.
I thought you were a gladiator.
I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
To that. It's supposed to be a Roman, he speaks with an English accent. Next time, I'll be pistol whipping the fat guy from the Gold Compare adverts. Until then, bye for now.